Howdy, it's Jaden from the future. Hold on, let me fix my hair. Ciao. Howdy, it's Jaden. Oh, okay. Howdy, it's Jaden from the future. I just got home. Don't mind the messy hair. Yeah, so I'm debating if I'm going to put this on my bookmark video or my book haul video. Put my earpods in. Okay, I'm debating if I'm putting this on my book haul video where I show all the books I've got, or my bookmark video where I made the bookmarks for my book, because these are two other book accessories. So yeah, I started reading, well, first from my first book that I got from before my birthday, just because I wanted to have the book, like a physical copy of it, was A Little Life. And as I was reading the book, I wanted to not annotate it, because I don't think I'm gonna get that into it, but I wanted to have book tabs, little sticky notes. And these were so hard to find. My mom tried to put in orders at Walmart, Target. I kept trying to find them on the internet or the Dollar Tree, but it's I couldn't find them, or they were too expensive and not a lot. And she put it in order and eventually found these at Walmart, this one pack. So yeah, so that's what I've been doing so far with Song of Achilles. I have yet to put the tabs in the book that I got them for originally, but it's whatever. But currently on page 152. But what am I trying to say? So basically what I'm saying is I was just looking on Amazon the other day, because I was I'm tabbing every few pages, this pack is going to be gone by the time I finish this book. Maybe when I'm with a quarter left of the book, because I'm tabbing stuff. I'm I'm gonna come back to this part, or this is an important note. So I looked on Amazon, which I don't know why. I don't think I checked Amazon the first time around, or if I did, I just somehow missed all of the tabs they were selling. And they were selling it was 2,400. It was thousands of them, not the packs, but the stickers themselves, for $8-9. And I'm that's so affordable, because I think this costed $2 $2 or $3, and I'm on Amazon you could get 12 packs, basically, is what it equates to. So anyway, long story not even shortened, because I keep rambling. What just came into the mail was this Book Nook that I ordered from TikTok that I saw. And I hope it works and that the parts are okay. And then, of course, all of the book tabs. And I ordered these, not yesterday, but was it yesterday? I ordered them on Saturday night, Sunday morning. It was 1 a.m. And they came Monday. So, all in all, yeah. So I was why don't I just turn on the camera and capitalize this? It's an unboxing video, almost. Wired into whatever other video I put this on. So I was struggling with it, so I got the scissors. Unboxing video, you can't even see the box. I'm just trying to cut this open without damaging the thing. And basically what a Book Nook is, if you haven't heard, it's these little worlds you can put on your bookshelf in between. It's almost like a bookend, in a way, it can be used as one. But it's decorative. I don't know how to explain it. You would just have to see it. And I got one of the ones, people make their own. And I might insert some pictures. And although I think that's cute, and to be honest, if I had time or was bored enough, I probably could or would make one day of my own, from scratch. But I don't really got time for that. At least not during the school year. because I've been so busy. Like, oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. See? It's like this small little world. It's almost like, see, that's a perfect example. It sits on your shelf. First, you gotta assemble it. It's almost like a Lego set. But yeah, and you just put it on your bookshelf, like between your books, and it's like this 3D little world. And I'm like, people are so creative, because I've seen videos of people make their own, like from scratch, whether they'll make like a little forest or like a little cafe or something. But like I said, I do not have time for that. So I bought like one of the sets because I saw one and it's like it lights up and it's just so cute. And these are other ones that the company has. But yeah. And to be honest, I was afraid that it was a scam because it was one of those sites that seemed like, well, you could buy this same set but like on different little sites, and they weren't like popular sites, like really known. So I was afraid if it was a scam, because I saw some of the reviews and they were like, some of the pieces not. And if you can tell, my box is a little damaged right here, which I'm not too happy about. But I'm like, as long as all the pieces there, nothing is tumbled, I'm opening the second receipt. And my second package, the book tabs. And the book tabs, they had pretty colors in the thing. As you saw, the like one I have is like basic primary colors. Aha. It's like folded. They're in there. They're in there. It's folded. I was about to say this isn't a little thing, but it's so cute. And they come with little rulers, so I can put them in my planner. How do I open it? Okay. It's like Christmas all over again. Or just my birthday. Love this. And I will count out every 2,400 book tab that is in the pack. Oh, period. Oh, period. Yeah, I just show them all on camera. And who knows? I'm not sponsored by Amazon, but maybe I'll link these down below. Because I'm like, you get all of these. And they're so cute. The color combinations. The color combinations, they're so cute. And they all come with like a little ruler so you could put them in your planner. Like I said, I'm going to use them for books, but I may like set aside one pack for my planner. Even though it's the end of the year and I'm almost finished with my school planner, but whatever. Yeah. And then second pack. So you can get the color schemes. Oh yeah, and these are different. They're like circles. I'm trying to see. Okay, it's 10 colors, 20 pieces each. Yeah, so that's... Forget the math. Yeah, 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh, that's 10 different ones. Oh yeah, that's 200. This is 201 in one pack. I have light colors, pastel colors. I saw this one TikTok of this lady who had a book, and she was going back and re-tabbing her book pages to like fit the color scheme of her books. And I'm like, that's a level of dedication I will never get to. Like I said, this is the one I have, these extra rainbow colors, and this is my book. They kind of go the blue, but like I could like see if there's another color scheme that fits these, but I don't. It's not that serious for me. I just like to go back to the parts that are interesting. So like the color does not matter to me. Besides, when I put them on my shelf, which I have yet to set up, that part's gonna be hidden. I'm just, this for like $8, and they're all so pretty. But yeah, just had to show that off. And if you're wondering what this box is, it's my bookshelf that I've yet to open or put together. That's a lie. I opened it, I just didn't put it together, as you can see. But yeah, as planned, my little book nook, the books that I bought, they would go on the shelf. So that's why I'm like, I don't think I'm going to set this up yet, But I'm wondering, like, if I do decide to set it up, would you want to see a video of me doing that? Because like I said, it's like a Lego set, so I feel like it's going to be really satisfying to put together. And it's just so pretty. Like, the videos I've seen of it are so pretty. I feel like it was around $40-ish. And the way I'm frugal with money, I feel like I would have been too cheap to buy it. But I was telling myself, like, girl, this is like your little birthday gift. Splurge a little. But yeah, I was like, it's my 20th, you know? And if I want to spend my 20th year as an adult buying a Lego set little world for my bookshelf, that's how I'm gonna spend my money, my birthday money. At the moment, I'm glad I bought it. I'm trying to open it. It's so hard to open. Ciao. You kiss me in the car and it feels like the start of the movie I've seen before. I'm trying to be gentle with the box, but it's not. Jesus. Okay. Is this a better angle for y'all? I hope so. I really need to get like a tripod or something, because my phone is doing a balancing act on my mug, so that's what you got. But yes, just another view of the box. This is what it is. Sakura Densya. But yeah, that's the name on the box. Okay. You're supposed to open it from the bottom. Bear with me, be patient, you know? I'm no Einstein. Ah, there we go. Ooh. My only fear is that like the lights won't work, because like I said, I read the reviews. Oh, and here are the instructions. I read the reviews. Some people were saying the instructions for the lights were a little confusing, so I feel like that's the only thing I'm a little like worried about, because I think the other instructions were kind of straightforward. Okay, I'm like, let me make sure that these are in English. Apply some glue. Okay. But yeah, I did see like videos or like in the comments. I did see like in the comments and reviews of videos, and on their site, people were saying like the electronic portions were hard to put together. As you can see, you get these little packets of like screws. And I also heard in like a couple of reviews that not all the screws are there. I could be wrong. That might be something else, like my bookcase or something. Look, anyway. Yeah, we're gonna crack this open. Yeah, like I said, I'm definitely not putting this together now or like anytime soon, because I at least have to have a bookshelf to put it on. And I know it's gonna take me a while to set up, because one thing you may not know about me, I'm a procrastinator. So although I was like so excited in the ordering process, I'm like, this is probably gonna take me like 5 months to just focus enough energy to get it done. Unless, who knows, maybe I'll like delve into it and I just finish it like in 1 week. But yes, it doesn't come with wood glue, but I think I have to buy some. So I know I used to have some, but that was like years ago. Yeah, it doesn't come with that. And I saw a man's tutorial, and he ordered this as well as the other ones that the company makes. and he had a tutorial on how to put the electrical part together, because like I said, a lot of people struggled with it or it didn't work right. So I just know that like when I get to that part, I'll probably refer to his video. Ooh, I think this part is supposed to be like the water from the bridge. This is supposed to be like the roofing. It's just, I'm so excited. Okay, so yeah, in the big pack, this is mainly what you get, all the sets and pieces. I really should just put it back in the box, because I'm not gonna build this right now, and I don't want anything to get lost. But I guess I just wanted to make sure everything is here. This is pretty. I like this. But yeah, I'm excited. When I got the package, I like forgot. I was like, I didn't order anything. I was like, all my packages came in. I for real forgot. Because on the site, I don't think it tells you how long it's going to take to get there. Or at least I didn't see an estimate for me. So I wasn't aware. And this is the book with instructions, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm excited. I just really hope that it turns out cute, that it's gonna look so cute on my shelf amongst my new books. And yeah. Well, I forgot to film an outro, so this is just me saying I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for listening to me just rambling on and on. Comment down below how your day was, and also if you have any recommendations or types of videos you'd like to see from me. If you like the video, please give it a like, and I hope you have a good one. Bye.